Are we gonna walk? How about a coach? Dada.
Hi. Hi, sweetheart.
One hand.
You wanna walk with your wagon?
You go walk with your wagon? You can do it. With your wagon? Oh no.
Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie. You want the case? Here you go.
Yes,
Here you go.
please. Good job. Can you handle by yourself?
Gotta check that out.
Eliora, do you want to go see Mitchell? Mitchell? Where's Elena? Hi, babe. Elena, that's my name. Where's Marley? Hi. Can you walk? Can you walk over here with your wagon? Walk. Ooh. Wow. Ball. You gonna come get it? Can you roll the ball over to me? Good job. Okay, now I roll to Eliora. Where did I hear you go? Where are you? Where's your ball? You want to play ball? Yeah, look at all your books. Okay. Now go and read a book. Who's this? It's the dolly. You're gonna fall over. What? You're so silly. I love you.